In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to round the corners of an image here in Canva. Now, this is really easy to do, and first off, we're going to need our image. Now, this works with images, frames, and shapes. Now, I have this image just here, so let's go ahead and round the corners. Now, what we want to do is simply click onto the image, then we want to come up to the toolbar just here and click on Corner Rounding. Then it's going to pull up this bar just here. Now with this, the more that we increase this bar, the more the corners round, as we can see. The less we decrease this bar, the less rounding they become, just like that. So what you'd want to do is find your happy medium. Let's go round about there, just like that. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to round the corners of an image here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.